turn the gas a little. Alright, so I've been having some trouble with welding because it's bubbling through. It's just, the crap is just exploding on the weld. So, and the reason for that is that the rim is actually welded. It's pretty much a two-piece rim. You can see the welds here, and right where the hole was is a place where the two sheets or the two pieces of steel are welded together. So they're only welded at the ridge, so the space that's sandwiched between the two pieces, I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of rust there. There is a bunch of rust because at one point the hole just burnt through, and then the hole just burnt through, and then that crap just explodes here. But I think it's gonna work. All right, so. I was not being able to weld at all. Just getting horrible welds, and so I decided to use the grinder, and you can see I've cut through to this layer here. You can see all the rust that's trapped in there. And what's also happening is it's creating a bubble. Air gets trapped inside there, and then it bursts through the weld. So if I start welding from here to there, I think I should work now. Alright, so I'm finally getting somewhere, and as you can see, my welds it's finally able to do some good welds here. And this different color here is due to using stainless steel filler rod. And I really liked using this filler rod because the stainless steel doesn't spread out as much, so it's really good for filling in holes. And yeah, I blew a big hole there, but I'll get that filled in. But the important thing is that finally you have to get a good base for this. And I'm taking it nice and slow. I'm using the blow, the air gun to just do short sections and, you know, keep everything cool. I know some people are, wonder about warpage, but I really don't think that's going to be an issue here. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I really blew it, but literally, but this is actually good because you get rid of all the bad spots. So see that I got a nice solid ridge around. Now I'm going to cut out a little piece of flat bar and weld it in there. I mean, how fucking perfect is that? So I'm gonna grind that off a little bit. That's a proper job. All right, so Now all I've got to do is grind this side off and do some welding to smooth that out, and we're done. This was the rim that I made the repair on. If there's any holes.